Hello student, in previous lecture we had studied the properties of the carbon compound, that is the addition reaction, substitution reaction. The next point in this chapter is some important carbon compound which is included in your syllabus. Only two organic compounds are included. The first is the ethanol and second is the ethanoic acid. Today I will teach to you the first compound is the ethanol. You know the formula of ethanol. Formula of ethanol is CH3 CH2OH is the condensed formula of the ethanol. What are the physical properties of the ethanol? You know that the ethanol is also known as alcohol, or it is also known as spirit. The absolute alcohol, if you intake 10% pure, means absolute alcohol. If you intake, then it directly affected on physiological process as well as they are affect on the central nervous system. Sometimes it causes death also. Therefore, it is pure ethanol is harmful to our body. Therefore, do not intake the pure ethanol. The first homologue or first member of alcohol is the methanol. Methanol is too much dangerous than the ethanol. If you intake small quantity of methanol, CH3OH is the formula of methanol, then they are affected on our vision as well as it causes a death also. Therefore, the methanol is mixed with a ethanol. Such type of mixture of ethanol and methanol are called denatured spirit. What is by denatured spirit? The mixture of methanol and ethanol are called denatured spirit. Next point is the physical property of the ethanol. What are the physical property? If you take the small quantity of ethanol in the test tube and observe carefully, ethanol is a colorless liquid. This is the first property. Ethanol is a colorless liquid. If you add small quantity of red litmus and blue litmus and observe carefully, there is no change in the blue and red litmus. It means that ethanol is a neutral to the litmus paper. First is the ethanol is a colorless. Second one, neutral in nature. If you add the small quantity of water in the ethanol, then ethanol completely soluble. It means that third property, soluble in water. And if you take the boiling point, the boiling point of ethanol is a 78 degrees Celsius. This is the physical properties of the methanol. What are the chemical properties? You know that in case of methanol, they having which functional group? OH is a functional group and OH is a neutral in nature, is it not? But ethanol or alcohol is highly reactive with a sodium metal. Their first property is a reaction with sodium metal. You know that sodium metal is a highly reactive metal, very high reactive. Therefore, ethanol fastly or vigorously react with sodium metal and to form sodium ethoxide CH3CH2ONe and liberate the hydrogen gas. Sodium, name of compound is a sodium ethoxide and liberate which gas? Hydrogen gas. Ethanol This is the first property. Second property, dehydration reaction. Dehydration. What is meant by dehydration? You remember, D means remove, hydrate means water molecule. What is the meaning of this word dehydration? Removal of water molecule. How to define the dehydration reaction? The reaction in which water molecule is removed from the reactant are called dehydration. When ethanol is heated, when ethanol CH3 CH2 OH, ethanol is heated with a concentrated H2SO4 solution, concentrated H2SO4 at about 170 degree centigrade temperature. At that time, what happens? The hydrogen is removed from the CH3 group and OH is removed from the CH2 group. Water molecule eliminated from this 2 carbon atom, and we get a CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. The name of compound is a ethylene. It is a which type of compound? Unsaturated, because they contain the double bond. What is the dehydration reaction? The reaction in which water molecule is eliminated from the reactant, that is from the ethanol. The reaction called is the dehydration when ethanol is heated with a concentrated H2SO4. Here concentrated H2SO4 acts as a dehydrating agent. What is the H2SO4 here? They acts as a dehydrating agent. It removes the water molecule and to form a ethylene. Last point, uses of ethanol. First use, you know that at room temperature ethanol is a liquid in state, and again the large number of organic compounds are soluble in ethanol. Therefore, the first use, ethanol is used as a solvent. Second use, ethanol is used in the preparations of tincture iodine solution, because iodine is soluble in ethanol. Therefore, it is used for making the tincture iodine solution. Next, ethanol is used in the cough syrup, as well as they are also used in number of tonic in the medicine. This is the 3 uses of the ethanol. Question may be asked on this point. Write any 4 properties of the ethanol, or write the condensed formula or molecular formula of ethanol. Next, write any 3 uses or important uses of ethanol. Next question or last question, write the balance equation of the following. When ethanol is heated with a sodium metal, or ethanol is heated with a concentrated H2SO4. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.